Kublai shubun fibro session part te hakne ka video komentar ni page ikine ki successful candidate ke bade jong ki lab technician mo rom kane ka notification jong ka Mmdsl Medical Drug and Service Limited. List of successful candidate for the post of lab technician on contractual basis under Maclean Medical Drug and Services Limited as per the written test held on 1st October 2024 and a practical test held on 29 November 2024. Tekne ki ba ayo applicant name Kanishwa Khar. Kenapa Kanishwa Khar selected for East Chaincha Hill. Then wait listed 1 Norris Mary Khar, Jennifer Khar, wait listed 2 Pretty Shingshai and Mrs. Lily F. Khar, wait listed 4. This Marba Kidon Lakijong district for East Khas Dengaki Langbang selected is Khas Hill. La Pira Shisha Jerwa selected is Khas Hill. Ricky Roblang Ping Group selected is Khas Hill. Iba Shwalin and Angela Kahit selected. Jimris Nikhar selected. Balum Hun Shisha Nongsting selected. Iban Sabet Wankar selected. Relinda Collab selected. Inigway the wait listed. Taylor Rampe Wankar Pensuk Lang Marbanyang Risha Banhun Masar, Kinshaulin Marbo, Iban Karlin Dingdo, Cynthia War, Samin Talin Shabong, Inisha Kharkongol, Lakidor Etangkiu, Piba Kodor Lingdo, Philadelphia, Swear, Monica Dhar, Rab Hapaka Lakyang, Diana Wankar, Karintia Kharbi, Duk Hatsan, Kidon Ki wait listed, Duk Hatsan, is Khasil. Then Eastern West, Delightful Lingdo Nong Breeze, selected Eastern West. Nong Diang Tiar Marwen selected Eastern West, but Balai waitlisted Danis Din Paryong. Tang Iway waitlisted and po Southwest Kasil Pinyarbor Marwen Daya Suklin Wanyang Lasa Rabiang Shangdiar Anisha Lindo Marshallong, but Ibahun Lang Warkar selected. Kinigiway waitlisted Iwanura Karbitai Ibala Sun Lagantiu Moyong Disigna Disgina Nongrem. Karohil, Aniket Das, MD Inamul Haq, Rajabul Haq, Jaswels H. Marak, Rianem Sangma, Zial Haq, waitlisted to Nubasan, they selected. Kabidur Rahman Mola, waitlisted Karohil. Then West Jaintia Hill, Daohi Manar selected, Ridahun Yano selected, and Dayahun Lang Langxiang, waitlisted. West Jaintia Hill. Waitlisted 1. Rinanyang waitlisted. Marbiang Lingdo. Dawa Biang Lingdo. Sakiwan Lingdo. Ewa D. Tisni Daryang. Waitlisted 6. Then West Khasi Hill. Donbor Lang Ar Lingkhoi. Lari Akor Marbanyang. Mat Merciful Nongsij selected. And Kinigi waitlisted. Aikman Khan, Larry Jessica Sun, Ban Kentiu Karbit Q, Rikentilin Puwen, Dapishi Shamargar, Isawanda, Lauren Yang, waitlisted 6. Tege, Kine Baro, Kala Penbikne, Resort Namtaka, Nikalap Assistant, take to give a late talk, Mathaglatibha. Priority has been given to candidate native from the respective district in priority to Brainport district, the Kadao Kimi Katang to reduce interruption of service to the public. This list is valid for a period of 1 year. The selected candidate are required to report to the office of the undersigned as and when called by the office of the undersigned. The location mentioned above are subject to change. Take the location in Laban Kalaru, Katkum Ka Jingdon Kam. Thank you.